floor of the Chicago Mercantile. This is Danny Riley on this Thursday, March 4th. Look at the markets are quiet here, and we suspected that they would be. We said this, or the desk said this in the report that it puts out, that we thought as we went into the end of the week, we got closer to the unemployment number, people would kind of fold up camp, and that's kind of what they're doing. The markets are holding in here, and it's got a kind of a fuzzy feel to it, as if they want to go higher, but we don't really know what to expect. Tomorrow, Goldman's looking for a minus 100,000 non-farm payroll. If that number comes in line, we think the market could go up a little bit from here. And from some of the pretty good traders that we talked to at this desk, they don't see the weakness out here. And with the market kind of back and filling here over the last couple of days, it would be very suspect to take another pop on the upside here. As far as the rest of the stuff that we're looking here at today, the markets are quiet. The euro's a little weak. The bond market made a good move on the upside back above 119, and it's holding above there, but the volumes there are also light, and the volumes here in the S&P are light. It's almost as if people are just waiting on this number tomorrow. In the S&P, they've got about 9,000 big S&Ps traded with no S&P spreads. As we said, we're into the S&P roll now. And in the big S&P contract, they have about 900,000 traded with about 250,000 of that volume coming from Globex. Look at we think we're right on with what we've been saying over the last couple of days. People are confused about what to do at these levels. We've had a big run up. We've come up against some good resistance at the 1125 level, and now we got to see that level get punched out to go back up toward the 1150 level. Another couple of things that we're looking at, and China's been on the radar of this desk and a couple of people that we talked to about some of their ETFs that they have. One in particular is China Life. The ticker symbol for that is SLFC, and if you pull up a chart, you'll see it's kind of weak. Another ETF that we're looking at is the FXI. They seem a little weak. We're not sure. China overall has been weak a little bit over the last week or so. We're not sure if that's got something to do with what they're talking about. It is a bubble, or it's just some profit taking going on after the rally, after we just went back up. You know what? It's all about the unemployment figure tomorrow, and that's all we've got from here.